nakita yun. Trail dun. Teka na. Yari, stuck ka dyan?
Dude, that was a long drop.
Ayun na. Nandun ako, nakita kita dyan eh.
Right here.
Oh, na-stuck ka dito?
No bruises. Natak na pagka it was a slow motion.
Oo, walang
Tuk pa.
kulang ang momentum. Front derailleur.
Dude, that was good.
Hell yeah, it is. Buti nga sa'yo. Hindi ka tulad sa akin, talagang stick.
No, it was there. I was jumping it. For some reason, hindi ko na-pick yung harapan. Like, oh, fuck! Yep! Nakaganito na ako eh. Nakababa na ako.
Oh.
And then for some reason, this one, dire-diretso mo. Dire-diretso mo. Puta ka.
Baka naka-front brakes ka nun.
Ha?
Naka-front brakes ka.
Yeah, I used to have my brown brakes. Fuck. I knocked that tree out.
Yeah, you did. Saan na tayo?
Ooh, I like this helmet, dude.
Umampas ba ulo mo?
Oh, dude, right there from the rocks. Right here, right here. That one right there. That rocks.
Yan?
No, right there, right there. That one, right there.
Oh
By
shit.
the red, brown rocks.
Oh shit.
Gusto mo ko na, dude. I didn't, di ko na tinong puta. Baka masira pa itong ano ko eh.
Yeah.
Let the helmet do that you work.
Nandun ako, nakita kita, nandiyan. Nalalaglag mo lang eh. Ayun, may gas ka sa likod.
Yes, I did.
Tinamaan yung camera.